So yesterday we decided to leave the bikes behind and go on a coach trip, and the first stop we went to was a salt mine. Now I thought that would be really boring, but it turned out to be quite entertaining and quite educational. And after that we went to Obersalzberg and we went to the documentation centre, which is near the Eagle's Nest. Now the last time we did this trip we visited the Eagle's Nest, and for me personally that was one of the highlights of the trip. However, the Eagle's Nest is shut until May the 8th, which ironically is VE Day. So we visited the documentation centre instead. And this is a video of our visit to the documentation centre at Obersalzberg. So that was a trip to Obersalzberg and the documentation centre. It's important that when we're out here that we visit places like that to keep alive the memories of what happened during the Second World War, so that history never repeats itself. And it was very poignant, it was very moving. However, after that we had to decompress, and to do that we visited a wonderful place with a magical lake. I can't pronounce the name of the place, but it's here. And Fiona, who had been gobbing off about taking a dip, under the influence of vodka I may add, and a few others decided that they would join her, and they went for a dip in the lake, and I recorded it for posterity, and here is that video. Okay, here we are at the lake, and Fiona is going skinny dipping as promised when she had quite a bit of vodka, to be fair, but she's actually going to go through with it. There's a couple of people that said they do it with her, but let's see who's got the guts to go for it. I wasn't one of them, by the way. Yeah. Look away now if you're of a nervous disposition.
I need some more up then.
Rob up, yeah. We need to get the banner. Do you know what? It's actually nice in here. No, Jen.
First then.
Right, get your phone out. Right, don't hide your faces. Excellent. Whoa. I'll put it at the front, it'll float in the front. That's why the rain's one. Stay there.
Lift it up a little bit.
Last out, maybe,
Right,
or
no,
not?
don't let go, I need to smile. Fiona, get hold of it. Mike was too slow at getting his phone out. Cheese! Cheese! Excellent.
It's coming to get you.
Boxers in here as well.
Wet boxes now, sorry. Sorry! I didn't realise we were in there.
Hence I just wandered over there, I've got to cut off and right in.
Fair play to you, mate.
I'm not tired anymore, funny enough.
I actually enjoyed that.
Fair play to you, Fiona.
It's got to be done. Once Navy, always Navy.
Well done.